Hello.
Hi guys.
2019. Is my fupa showing? Hopefully not. All right. So, we showered. We shaved.
I didn't.
We showed up.
I definitely did not shave.
I
did shower and I did my hair.
I mean, we did our hair. That is the first
step in getting ready.
2019. We said we were gonna try to do these videos not coming straight from the gym.
Sure, we're not straight from the gym.
No, we're washed. We're ready to go. So we hope you guys had a wonderful new year. I know we did.
Yes, we did.
Yes, and there's just so many exciting things happening, and we're just so eager to talk with you guys and do all these videos. And I mean, we should just jump right into it.
Let's do it.
Because I mean, it's February and we haven't posted a video, but that's gonna change today because
yes. Well, and let's be real. Everybody said that January was like a year in itself. So
it really was. It was, yeah, gross.
So February, new year, new us. Here we are.
Here we are. So talking about new year, new us, Sarah and I really want to make a change in our appearance. We used to be real hot. Not that we're not hot now, because we are. I mean, you know, we have the face. We just, the body needs a little work. So we got on the bandwagon. New year, new me, and we're changing some stuff in our life, like our hair. And your hair's gorgeous.
Thank you.
I love it. And
I know. Monica did it. Hey, Money. Yes. I love it.
It's so nice.
It's a big change for me.
And I'm going long. Ooh. So I'm done with the mohawk.
Even on that side?
Okay, no. This, everybody always asks me and they always get so upset.
This is always gonna be shaved.
Like
to
here. Always. And I'm gonna do, what's that girl? Christy Mack. I want my hair to look like hers, but I have like such bad eczema on my scalp.
Yeah.
Like shaving was the only thing that helped me out. Otherwise I would be itching everywhere. So.
No, I love it. First of all, I think that it's great. It's very you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very edgy.
But I'm excited. Megan hasn't been long in a very long time, so.
Very long time. I used to do rock extensions like as long as Sarah's hair, so I'm excited.
It's gonna be fire. So we're getting new hair. We both have our nails done.
I know.
Which is a big deal.
Do you know, I look back on some of our videos and like sometimes we'll have manicures with no nails, and then sometimes I'll have like 2 nails missing with acrylics, and then you just didn't have any nails at all.
But I got away from like stilettos.
Now
I'll probably go
pretty.
back to there one day because I really do like stilettos. But
those are really pretty.
Thanks.
Yes.
They're the dip.
Oh, I don't know what that
You've
is.
never done the dip? I didn't know either until my friend Courtney told me. But it has a tip on it, and then all of this
and then
is
you
an
dip
acrylic.
it in the
You
acrylic.
dip it in the powder.
You did those yourself?
No. Nope.
But
yeah, in all my spare time.
Dipping is for people who want to do it themselves and not fuck up.
Well, I paid for it so that I wouldn't mess it up,
Got
and
it.
I really like it. We'll see. So far, it's not chipping or anything.
Okay.
So I dig it.
Who does your nails?
I go to Elaine Nails.
Oh, and I go to Nails by Tiffany.
Elaine Nails is open till 11 p.m. So they're my friend. Because sometimes we gotta go after 10 after work.
I think that would just be scary.
No, it's
to go
legit.
to a nail no, for sure it's legit, and I'm sure she gets a lot of business after hours. You know, it's Vegas.
Yeah.
But
So new hair, new nails,
and new
diets
that we're putting into our bodies.
Let's take that back. Not diets. Lifestyle change.
Yes. Like,
because I'm not trying to just do a fad diet.
I mean, I am. I'm doing.
Megan is. But I'm not.
I'm doing the keto diet, and you know, I researched, I did, and I talked to many people about it, so I feel good about it. And I have to break up with bread, and that's my thing, carbs.
Okay.
And I mean, I understand carbs are not only just bread, they're everywhere. But that's neither here nor there.
She's starting with bread.
I'm having a hard time, but it's
We
gonna be
both
okay.
are, and it's okay. The cool thing, though, we're gonna segue right into it, is I have a friend from back home, Mary Dole.
So this is,
I feel like you say it Modere.
I feel like that is correct.
Yeah.
So we have a Activate, and these are packets that I'm presuming you put into water.
Yeah, you're supposed to do these for the first 3 days that you start this system.
Okay. And then we have 90 capsules of a burn. So right in there. This is good for, well, you're going to explain everything.
Yeah.
And then we have the clinical strength CLA.
Yes, with the collagen based.
Yes. So I'm going to do this while on keto, and Sarah's already on this, so she's going to tell us a little bit about it. Okay,
And
so
there's,
you
like-
put this in water.
Yep, and you drink it, and you're supposed to do it at nighttime. So, this is going to eliminate toxins, rejuvenate cellular health, and ignite digestive energy, which is great.
That means it's going to give you energy, your digestion energy to poop.
Probably.
Okay.
So I've been told though
like a
specifically,
cleanse.
it's like a cleanse, but you're not going to end up spending your entire time in the bathroom, which is great because we don't need that in our lives.
No.
And then with the burn, this is boost metabolism, burn more calories, and increase energy. And it cracks me out.
Would you do this before the gym, like as your...
You cannot take this after 2 p.m. Just take it in the morning when you eat with food. Take it again like as a snack, maybe when you go to the gym, and then take it again during your lunch. No time past 2 p.m. because it is super, super strong in caffeine. Normally I can do caffeine, but what I've realized is I can't because my body is not processing things the way that it used to.
That's horrible.
Since I hit 35, which is great.
Oh yeah,
It's only been 2 months.
Sarah and I hit 35 in December.
We
so,
did. We had big shindigs. It was a whole lot of fun. But now we're
Did
dealing
I
with
have
the
a big
backlash.
shindig?
No, but you came to mine.
Oh, okay.
You didn't want to.
I didn't. I
She
didn't want
never
to.
wants to, and then she's always like, "That's fine. Don't get me a cake." Super annoying. Anyways, back to Modere. Then you have the clinically strength CLA. This inhibits fat storage, improves muscle tone, and restores youthful skin. There's collagen in this, which is awesome. It is like a chocolate syrup. Like that.
Wow. So you just
You do
teaspoon
like
it
a
up.
full tablespoon of this in the morning.
Does it
first
taste
thing.
like shit?
It tastes like chocolate, but I mean, there's definitely like other things in there that you can taste, but it's not the worst thing I've ever had in my mouth.
So it's
There's been worse.
so it's not like tar. Okay, great.
No, it's not.
Okay.
And then I usually follow up with this, because I do this first in the morning, with my celery juice.
That's a fad diet. Everybody's doing celery juice.
I'm not doing it because everybody's doing
Well, I'm
it.
just saying, everybody on Instagram is doing the celery juice. So
Okay.
good for you. Celery, great.
Hey, I'm trying to get everything working in my system right.
Okay. Well, we're on the road to success, I feel. We are setting ourselves up for success. With the introduction to Vegas Glam Moms 2019.
Yeah.
We want to take over the world.
We're
Mom
doing it,
world.
pretty
We are
much.
doing it. We're slowly but surely getting subscribers. It is fucking hard to get subscribers on YouTube. Like,
It's challenging. YouTube is such a
it's a different world for us.
It is very different for us, but at the same time, it is a massive based
Yes.
platform. But yeah, so we're just trying to start to build ourselves up and get more followers, and we are getting
We are
there.
slowly but surely. So,
But it is on us to make the videos, and that will increase the following.
It is. So you're gonna laugh your ass off.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna see some rad makeup being done. You're gonna see some awesome skincare. Sarah and I are in Ulta and Sephora all the time, buying new things. So yeah,
We're super excited about this year. I think that there's a lot of good things to come.
I think so too. So yeah,
That's it.
let's get to it.
Okay, so you'll go to modere.com, and the discount code or referral code is 5269151.
All right, guys. So we thank you always for subscribing and supporting us, and we look forward to sharing many more Friday nights with you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye.